In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple stops on Apple Maps. This is perfect for planning a string of errands, mapping out a delivery route, or organizing a road trip where you want to visit a few places along the way. I'll walk you through the essentials and share a few tips to keep everything smooth and stress-free. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar map view with a search bar across the top. If the map centers somewhere unexpected, don't worry. Your location will update once Maps has a good signal. Next, search for your main destination. Use the search bar to enter an address, a business name, or a point of interest. You can also tap a suggested result or something from your recent searches. When you select a destination, Maps shows route options and an overview of how long it will take to get there. Now choose your travel mode. Along the top of the route screen, you'll see options like driving, walking, transit, cycling, and rideshare. Pick the mode that matches your plan so Maps can tailor the route and timing. Driving is usually best for multi-stop trips and gives you the most control over ordering and timing. For this walkthrough, choose Drive. You'll see a route preview with an estimated arrival time. If there are multiple routes, pick the one that suits you best based on distance, traffic, or toll preferences. This sets the foundation for your multi-stop itinerary. Next, tap Add Stop. This option typically appears on the route card or details sheet. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the route details up to reveal more controls. Add Stop tells Maps that you want to include another location before you reach your final destination. Search for the place you want to add to your route. You can type an address, select from your recents, or choose a place you've saved. When you add it, Maps will automatically recalculate your route and update your total time. You can repeat this process to include as many stops as you need for your trip. Here's a helpful tip. You can move and customize your route by dragging the hamburger icon next to each stop. Press and hold the 3-line handle, then drag a stop up or down to reorder your itinerary. Maps will update the route instantly, making it easy to optimize for time, traffic, or convenience. And that's it, your multi-stop route is set and you're ready to go.